Motor manufacturing in South Africa is big, but the industry is changing as the world moves towards lower carbon emissions. Most countries are moving away from petrol and diesel vehicles. If South Africa doesn't adapt, it will be left behind.
5% or 6% of our GDP is actually pivots around auto manufacturing, and a lot of those vehicles get exported into those markets. The BMW factory, the Nissan, the Ford factory, VW, Merck, all these guys have quite a big element which is exported into those markets, and 5% of our GDP is a considerable amount of money to lose if those markets shift to electric vehicles and we neglect to shift our manufacturing sectors.
The government recently introduced incentives, including a 150% tax deduction on investments for electric vehicle manufacturing.
We're excited. We're hoping that we'll get the local industry spurred. In the meantime, we continue to progress with our clients with our imported electric vehicles, because that's the option we have at the moment. But as soon as we have local manufacturing, we'd love to work with local manufacturers in this industry.
Once EV production rolls out in 2026, local dealers will have more options for their clients. Right now, all electric vehicles are being imported. Local production will also see increased competition, which will even out prices for consumers.
As a country, we haven't ticked the price box. The average EV on Autotrader in 2023, second-hand, went for just under 1.2 million rand. That price point is way too high. So the potential implications of that perpetuating means that the demand will still be slow and in the upper LSMs and the upper demographics.
The government's support for EV production in South Africa will be a win for both manufacturers and consumers.